guys, Cindy A. Lewis here, and this is a quick idea. I'm doing it for Father's Day, but you could do it for any gift. And I just wanted to show you real quickly. This is going to be part of my Father's Day ideas. That's going to be in a big video. So if you already saw that, this is just telling you the how-to for the photo coasters. It looks like a memory idea. So these wood pieces that I had picked up already, I'm going to use them. I think I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. I know at one point I saw some at the Dollar Tree, but they were much smaller and I don't think they would be good coaster size. So these are about 3 inches and these are just wood pieces. Okay, so I'm going to use 4 of those. Use some Aleene's tacky glue. You could use Mod Podge if you want to. I just wanted to show you that you can do it with Aleene's. And then I printed some pictures out and I'm going to cut these out. I'm just going to show you, I'm going to cut them out about a 3-inch circle, and then I'm going to adhere them to these, let them dry, and put a ribbon around them, and this is going to be that easy. All right, so after you cut out your photos, and I just printed mine on cardstock, so I wanted to make sure they fit well enough around the size or the circumference of each of my pieces of wood. All right, so take your tacky glue, put it on your brush, just put it all on your piece of wood, just like you would if you're using Mod Podge. But I just wanted to give you something as an alternative to use if you don't have Mod Podge. You can get Aleene's tacky glue in this 4-ounce size from Dollar Tree. All right, so now I'm going to put that on there. Now this glue will seal around the picture and dry clear, and that way putting a drink glass on it will be fine. So I'm going to do this and to all of the pictures, and I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to wait for these to dry, and then we'll wrap some ribbon around them, and that will be a nice little gift. And that gift is what you saw suggested in my Father's Day video. So I'll show you that at the end, and thank you very much for watching.